Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. We got a kick slinger today. It's from legendary Bobby Keyz. If you don't already know of him, please check out his channel. The guy is awesome. Absolute great content on his channel. Makes brilliant videos. He's a great lock picker. He's in my top 10 list of pickers. Absolute great guy. But please check him out. Before we get started, if you're into lock picking and you're interested to find out more, go and check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and it's a brilliant forum full of really nice guys, very helpful in everything to do with locks. But check that out. Also, if you like the content and what you see on my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week, from challenge locks to making locks to reviews, all different things, as long as it's obviously it's lock oriented. But let's get on with this lock. So I'll show you the bitting. Very nice bitting. As you can see, it works absolutely spot on, nice and smooth, which normally would expect from Bobby. Like I say, he makes absolute awesome pins. Let me find, there we go. I'm going to go for a homemade tension wrench, which was a Allen key, and a pick that I got from Trickmaster 30, also another great picker. It's very, very sunny today in England. Very warm day for once, instead of being miserable like it was yesterday. Top of the keyway, and I have to lean on this warding to start. Get a little click off, 1, 2, nice click off 3. That was 4, off 3 again. Tiny click off 2. Oh, we've got another one off 3. Looking for some tiny bit there. Looking for some counter rotation. Oh, and there we go. Wow. Oh, I enjoyed that. That was a really nice feedback. One thing with some challenge locks, some of the guys that out there, you know, make the pins so smooth and so nice, you can tell absolutely everything the pin's doing, and I love locks like that. And this is the very first Bobby Keyz lock I have picked, so that's an extra bonus for me today. Finally picked a Bobby Keyz lock. Right, let's find the rest of the gear. And that's me thingy. Let's just get the pinning tray. And let's have a look. What have we got? An ordinary follower should do. Let's get a clip off. Let's lock it back up. Put keys in, and let's have a look. There we go. Just about there should do it. And there we go, we got it. We got it. Let's have a look what we've got there. Well, let me just find my pick. Oh, some deep ones there, definitely. They all have to be picked no matter what. Got 1, 2, 3. So in 1, 3, and 6, they've got they are threaded. Right, let's have a look what we've got. Give me a second. There we go. Piece of tissue, like my fingers. Sorry about that. Right, let's put that there. Let's get the old tweezers. I apologise, not seeing much there. Let's get this down to where the pins are, and then let's get it done like this. Very nice serrated. Well, that's like a spool serration. Let's get that first spring out. Put it there. Let's get that next spring out. Oh, there's a nice steel one. Check the next one. Ah, that's where that fault set was coming from. And what have we got here? Get that spring out. Last but not least. Right. In a second, we have one more spring. There we go. Ooh, very, very tiny little copper. Right, let's have a look what we've got in here. Anything in here? Nope. Chambers are all clean. No threading. Right, let's have a look what he's let's have a look what Bobby's done here. So we've got a very nice keep in here. Really nice serrations, really smooth and clean. A little T-pin. Keep in. There's another example of Bobby's work. It's how smooth and neat those serrates are. They almost look commercially made. They look that good. Another T-pin. More of a serrated spoolie key-pin. And then we get another key-pin. Absolutely gorgeous. Them serrates are really, really nice. Then for the drivers, we've got like a spool serration, tiny one. This one, I think is upside down, is that's like a chess piece, like a pawn with a little serration and a T-pin on the end. Got a deeply made spool, and we've got what's like a spool and then a step-ups of serrations. And we've got another spools type serrated, but these are wide and deep. For this driver, we've got very, very nice narrow smooth serrations. Absolutely awesome pins, really nice. And then we've got a brass spring, we've got a steel, and we got a very small copper one. Another copper one, definitely double the size of this one, another copper one, and another steel one. Well, there we go. Absolutely fantastic pins. Gorgeous, mate. Absolutely work about them. Awesome work, awesome work. But yes, that was my very first Bobby Keyz lock. picked. Absolutely well enjoyed that. Brilliant. Well, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like.